So now we're going to do practice questions 2.12 to 2.15. Question number 11. Prepare a full accounting system including purchases and sales journals up to the trial balance. So it says that you owns a wholesale business. So normally the first line here will tell you what type of business the person is running. But business's trial balance on 30th April 2018 was as follows. Now, if you see this one here, you know that we're doing it for enterprise. Think of partnership, enterprise, so on and so forth, because every single type of accounts has different methods of doing. So all the accounts that we are doing so far are all enterprises. Okay, so if you look at this, is the trial balance. First, whenever you have a trial balance, check whether debit side and credit side, they are the same. And that should be good to go. During May 2018, the following transactions occurred. Invoices were received from suppliers. So this is from suppliers. Suppliers means only people that we can owe to. It is our purchases. And then the next one will be customers. Customers we can only sell to, owing to us. Okay. These are those that we need to post in our purchases journal and sales journal. So as you can see, we need to prepare purchases journal, sales journal, purchases ledger account, sales ledger account, nominal ledger accounts, and trial balance. So these are the other transactions that will happen. So all of this will be written in the ledgers later on. Okay, so first we need to prepare the journal. So let's look at purchases journal here. On May 14, TBX Manufacturing invoice number 3251 for goods worth 6,200. Less the trade discount of 25%. So all we need to do is just record it inside our purchases journal right here. May 14, TBX Manufacturing. We just need to write the exact amount, 6,200. You must show you're working of reducing the discount. Trade discount. So we need to write trade discount every time so that we remind ourselves this is where trade discount happens. 1,550. So we get 4,650. Next one will be 26. Universal supply. For goods worth 9,600 less. You do notice that this discount always happens, so you need to know how to calculate it. Next, you just basically divide everything by 3. You say 9,600 divided by 3, 3,200. 6,400. So we just add them together. And get 11,050. These are our total credit purchases for the month. Next one will be our sales. Sales journal will be May 7. Shiban. Retail unit. 3,600. Then less 15% trade discount. The trade discount is a discount only given when you buy in bulk. If you don't buy in bulk, you cannot get purchases, and you cannot get trade discounts. 540. 3060. The next one will be 17. William retail chain. 5,500 multiplied by 20%. 1,100 less 20% trade discount. Remember never to record your trade discount in any ledgers. You're not supposed to record it in your ledgers. 1,400. We add them together, we get 7,460. This is our total credit sales for the month. So this total will then be posted into our sales account in our nominal ledger. So next we need to open our purchases ledger account. So let's look at our purchases ledger account here. Let's check if they have any balances. So we have PBX here, we have PBX here, we have Universal Supplies here, we have Universal Supplies here, we have Shivan here, and then we have another one, William and William. So they have a balance. So we're just going to bring in the balance together. So TBX manufacturing 8,300. So I'm just going to write here TBX. So since they are liabilities, we're going to put them on the credit side, 8,300 as balance. And then we're going to write as the date here, May 1st. Okay, then on 14 they bought, so you're just going to write 14 here. Purchases. 6,200. 4,650, sorry. Next will be Universal Supplies. The amount will be 10,100. May 1st. And then we have 6,400. This is our purchases. Next will be sales ledger. Sales ledger, we need to write Shivan retail unit. So the balance here will be 11,300. Balance brought down. May 1st. And then after that, 3060. Sales. Next will be May 1st here. Balance brought down. Williams retail unit. Retail chain. Balance 5,780. Sales 17, 4,400. We're not going to do anything after this. So we're going to make sure that we can conclude all of these here. Let's look at the first one. Cash sales total 2,800. Notice that I didn't put this amount in yet because this amount is on the last day on May 31st and May 31st. So don't put them in first. So I'm just going to do whatever we can do here and put them into our nominal ledger. So cash sales total 2,800. So I need to open my bank account as well, my cash account and my sales account. So I need my cash account here and my sales account. So my sales account will be 2,800. $2,180 balance. Brought down May 1st. And then here will be sales on May 4th. 2,800. May 4th. Cash. Okay, done. And let's do the next one. General expenses by check 1,700. So we need to open our bank account. So let's open our bank 12,580. Balance brought down. And then we got name first. General expenses 1,007. $1,007 from bank. Then it's May 9th. General expenses 1,700. Okay, done. Receive a check from Shivan retail unit 8,400. So just gonna go Shivan retail unit 8,400. Received on May 13th. Bank. And then bank gonna write 8,400. Shivan retail unit. 13. Good. Paid universal supply by check in full settlement amount due at this date. Due at this date, we need to see how much is due on the 16th. So let's look at universal supplies. Universal supplies on the 16th. Up to 16 is only here. Only 10,100. So we're going to pay only 10,100. 10,100 on May 16, universal supply. And then universal supply is 10,100. And done. Purchase goods for resale and paid by check 4,900. So I'm going to open a purchases account. It's still under nominal ledger. So purchases will be here. So on May 20th will be bank 4,900. 4,900 purchases. Okay, you do not need to close the accounts or balance them at the end of the transaction period. All you need to do is find the differences and put them into your trial balance later on. So I don't need to leave so much space for that. Paid wages in cash 3,900. So go to cash 3,900. Wages May 25th. I need to go to open another account called wages. $3,900 cash May 25th. And there'll be a last one. Eating withdrew a check 800 for private use. 800 for private use, which is what we call drawing. 28. I still need to open another account called drawing. So we need to add all this amount into the account. So let's double check because I may have missed out on something. Drawing should be 800. So let's see if these accounts are open previously or prior to this. Are these accounts open? If it is open, then I need to bring down their balances. So let me just check. There is a drawings account, yes. General expenses, yes. Wages, yes. So we need to. It's not a new account. I just need to bring this down. Even for sales and purchases, and we double check. There is a balance here. There is a balance here. There is a balance here. Sales and purchases. Yes, also balances there. So I need to bring down this. And there'll be a first balance brought down. So this one, it has balances because prior to this, we may have done some calculation already. Maybe we close the account on a monthly basis. So we'll bring down the balances from previous months together. So 232,400 general expenses on May 1st, that's just the balance brought down. Remember to write brought down because that is from last year's 28,900. And then purchases also has a balance. 147,200, and then wages was just a balance of 88,200. Before we end everything, we need to make sure that we bring in the missing ones here. At the end of the month, we need to bring in these to their specific account, sales and purchases. So this time we put 7460 in sales. 31st, purchases also 31st, 11,050. So this one will be total credit sales for the month. It's also the same thing, total credit purchases for the month. So the rest that did not have any transactions, we need to bring down drawings as well. We don't need to open the account. 38,600. Okay. Now the rest we need to calculate and then we need to put into our trial balance. When we put into our trial balance, we should get the correct amount. It should be balanced if we were to do all our double entries properly. So double check should be okay. And let's go to trial balance. So you can just have a look here. So bank, this is on the debit side. So there's no new account, so I don't need to create any new account. So bank is 3,480, capital is the same 166,000. Cash 1080, drawings 39400, 37300, general expenses 30,600, 163,000, 150, 242,700. Trade payable, TBX manufacturing, none of them settled their account. 12,950, 6,400. If they have settled their account completely, then you just not need to write them into your trial balance. 4,960, 10,180, 44,800, wages 92,100. So these amounts are given from the amount scheme. So if there's any differences or different from what you've done, please let me know so that I can actually change them. 428,050, 128,050. So if both sides are the same, then you're good to go and we can consider this question to be done. You don't need to bring down any balances from here. Okay, balancing, we'll do that later on.